Welcome back, my good people. In part one of my fireplace makeover, you guys watched me transform this fireplace by just adding a little bit of black paint, the Sherwin-Williams Tricorn Black. And I just want to show you a quick picture of the before of the fireplace before I even touched it. So yes, let's jump into part two. In today's video, we are going to make over the fireplace built-in cabinets. This is on both sides of the fireplace, and I'm going to go ahead and start sanding it down first. And as you can see, this fireplace is already painted. Previous owner painted the cabinets the same color as the wall, which is not bad. It's just the way it was done. The doors on the cabinet was painted on, the hardwares they were painted as well, and it just looked bad. On top of that, it's old, so I'm just trying to do a little bit of refresh or a lot of refresh. So I'm sanding everything. The inside of the cabinets that wasn't painted, I kind of went back and forth if I wanted to paint it or not, but because I'm a Virgo and I want everything to be perfect, I did, and you guys will see it.
One eternity later.
Okay, so it's now time for me to go ahead and paint this cabinet. The sanding is finally complete. Took me forever, 10 years and a day to be exact. I'm just joking, it didn't take me that long, but yeah, it took me long because I obviously have to work. So it kind of took a minute. I'm trying to flip this. Okay, so it's not perfect, but it's good to go. It's clearly a older cabinet, so yeah, some minor little things on there that's bugging me, but let's see what it looks like after we paint. And I don't know why I sand before, after I paint my fireplace. I originally planned on painting this cabinet. I know that for sure, but I don't know, for some reason was it clicking like, hey, don't sand or don't paint your fireplace until you finish sanding. Yeah, that, I don't know. But anyway, look how dirty it is now because of all the sanding. But it's all right. I'm just gonna go back over and do some little touch up. This is the other side. So I'm gonna be painting inside and outside of it. So let's begin. Okay, so before I start painting and get carried away, this is what I'm going to be using. This is the Zinsser primer. I hope I'm saying that right. But I'm going to be priming first with this. I got this from Lowe's. And I'm going to be using the BEHR cabinet and trim paint. I wanted to get the BEHR urethane alkali one instead. I hope I'm saying that right too. But they didn't have it in stock, so I just went ahead with this because it's still cabinet paint. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. So are you ready?
Remember when I told you guys that I recorded the whole thing so wrong? So right here, what you're seeing on the left side is not the actual fireplace. I mean, it is the fireplace, but that's just a picture of the fireplace that I kind of added in with the actual video that I'm doing right now while I'm priming. I just want to point that out really quick, just in case you're wondering. Like I said, I'm a Virgo. I see everything. I'm a perfectionist. I don't know if that's the case with everyone else, but I just want to point that out.
All right, time to paint this bad boy. So this is primer, and I'm gonna work on painting. Let's go.
Fun fact, really quick. I love to have a nice glass of something, some alcoholic beverage while I'm painting. And if you're wondering why I'm so distracted, I was watching Netflix, I was watching Home Edit or something like that, something of that nature. So, yeah. This roller that I'm using, guys, also is the high density foam roller for smooth surfaces, and this is for doors and cabinets, and it's a 4-inch roller. Really good for this job. And then I use a 2-inch shortcut polyester angle brush for like cutting and for the outside part of the cabinet. I believe the brush is by Wooster. I don't know if I'm saying that correct. As always, I don't know how to pronounce stuff that good, but it's okay. So far, I love how it's turning out. For part 3, I'm going to be doing the doors for the cabinet. I am going to be redoing the doors. Like I mentioned plenty of times already, this is older, and I am trying to stay on a budget. So for the doors, I'm using the same old doors. I'm going to turn it into shaker style cabinet doors. So stay tuned for that. If I do everything in one, the video is going to just be way too long. And then I'm going to also do the shelves for this built-in fireplace cabinet section thingamajig, whatever you want to call it. I hope you guys enjoy the video so far. I know that painting can be not that very fun to watch, but just so you guys can see the actual transformation. Thank you so far. Thank you for tuning in. And yeah, I really appreciate you guys. And stay tuned to part 3 of my fireplace makeover, where I turn the cabinet's door into shaker style cabinets. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you can also share and comment. Yes, all that good stuff. Take care, my good people. See you in the next one.